Hi guys, this is Mohsen Iqbal Kazi, and today I'm going to tell you that how you can check your daily earnings on Timebucks online. That is a website that is used for online earning. So here you can click on first of all what is your earning. So when you we will click on earning, it will tell you the task you have completed. So I will let you know about the task which I have completed. So by going to contents, and I have clicked on the click option. I watched a ad, this one ad, and I got the earning $0.01. Same is the case. I earn for using clicks by you going to engage and going to engage app. I have watched a video, and as a reward of the video I got $0.01. Same is the case. I did a survey from survey. I got $0.005 dollars. So this is my earning. You can say I've also earned using slideshows, clicks, and from the push clicks I have performed various tasks. And these are the things that are available in order to also I watch the YouTube videos. So from these too much ways we can earn the amount the money in the software in this Timebucks website. So bonuses, what a bonus I have got so much for as I'm new to this website. So sign up bonus, I got $1 by passing the quality test survey. I got $0.1 Timebucks profile completion bonus $0.01. And daily goals achievement, the daily goals achievement is very easy. As there as we if you go to dashboard, I'm going to tell you what are the few things that we these are the six tasks that are available to you people. And if out of these six tasks, if you have completed the five tasks within 24 hours each day, so you will get 0.05 as a bonus. This is computed here as one 0.05 each day. And 20,000 sweepstake entries. What are the 20,000 sweepstake entries? The 20,000 sweepstake entries is just like a lottery, and you got 20,000 lottery or sweepstake entries. And that lottery is going to be held on each Friday 12 a.m. at New York time. So I am suggest or prefer you people to complete at least five these tasks every day, and these tasks are too much easy to complete every day. Okay, then coming to wallet, the wallet contain all of the earning that we have earned so far. So again, in this wallet, in this again this will tell you about the whole earning which I got to use from this one thing you can do. This push click earning, this is the whole day earning that in the whole day I watched 22 payable clicks that appear to me, and as a reward I got 0.006 dollars as a reward. So questions will be arising in your mind that how we can what are these tasks that are available in the dashboard. So first of all, three push click you will have to go for the push click, you will have to go to earn tab. From the earn tab you will have to go content, then content will go to beneath this one thing more. This is the click option. I'm going to the push click is here. Before the push going to push click, I am going to tell you about the clicks. You will have to click on this button after 5 seconds. You will this is a timer, the 3 2, and after one the $0.001 have will be this is the tone that you have got $0.001 of for watching for only 5 seconds this video. Just you have to click on this view button. Then what are the push click, you have to push click click on the push click. And push clicks are normally inactive in the start, so you will have to activate for getting a push click daily on the daily basis. Then the second you have check the push clicks, and also you have completed click from the tick button I have told you. Then what is the task? So for the task you will have to go to the earn button, and from the click here on the task. There are a lot of tasks will be available to you people, and these are very easy tasks that you can perform very easily. That comment on the Instagram, download the app, like and share the social media app page, and read articles and get bits. These are very simple tasks that are available to you people, and you can earn by from these from these tasks. So task completion is necessary in order to get the daily in a bonus and 20,000 sweepstake increase. So what is the then I've told about the task, about the click, push, clicks. Okay, run the sweepstakes software. For the sweepstake software, you will have to download this software, and as going to tell you that this software, about this software, so 100 entries will be added in my, I'm running this software at this time, and 100 entries will be added in my account after 5 minutes 24 seconds, and these are, then this is my this week entries. So this much entries are not possible by running the software, because the laptop is not going to be on all time. So if you complete all these stuff, you got 20,000 straight away sweepstake entries that you can uh, get benefited. So complete three slideshows. Again, slideshows, go to earn tab, content, and content. Click here at the slideshow. This is a slideshow that is available to you. You will have to click on the slideshow. By clicking on this, this is one of them is open. I open. So I have to watch this slideshow for 20 seconds, or some slideshow, or for 10 seconds. And after 10 second button is appeared on this at this point. The button will be in the green color, and you will have to click on that green button. So after clicking on the green button, our next slideshow will be appear. Same is like this is the green button that is appeared next. So by clicking on this green button, our next slideshow will be open, and you will have to again watch that slideshow. Thus watching a slideshow will at least three slideshows will award you a uh, bonus and this task completion. One of the greatest benefit of this task completion is that if you complete this task for complete this task for the 5 consecutive days, you will get a premium membership. And what is the advantage of the premium membership? In the premium membership, your earning will be increased by the 25%. So I prefer you guys to must complete these tasks for the 6 days consecutively, so in order to get benefited. Also, my link has been shared in the description, so please sign up using this link. And thanks a lot for your time and watching this video. If you have any comments or any question, please write in the comments. I will answer in